Hello viewers, an interesting and mentally gratifying experience is running a small business. It's wonderful when an entrepreneur starts to dream, the energy increases and people mistakenly interpret confidence as egotism. According to statistics, many small firms are founded by people who are already employed full-time. Yes, this is beneficial in a variety of ways. To begin with, you don't need to use your savings, you can get by with your current income. There are many tiny enterprises that can start out for nothing at all and bring in thousands of dollars every month. One of these is working as a sales representative for a specific business. It seems straightforward, and that's because it is you sell their stuff and receive the commission. Other small enterprises that only need a minimal investment include mail order deliveries, affiliate marketing, online sales of your own homemade products, and so on. The internet offers an even more fruitful environment for you to enter and grow your company, whatever it is you have in your mind. Even if you don't have a specific idea in mind, that's possible that you can take it online and make a killing. Creating a business plan from beginning is simple if you just look at the chances available online. Knowing your product is a crucial sales stage. Watch television commercials and pay attention to how they try to evoke a feeling or promote a person, since the advertiser is highly familiar with the goods. Consequently, you can easily target their audience. A real major deal and a lot of work goes into getting the word out about the product, so always make sure you sell from the heart and not your mind. There are only two methods to spread the word: time and money. Either you'll save time by hiring someone to spread the word, or you'll spend less money. The time it takes to do it yourself using keywords to obtain SEO and Google ranking comparable to unpaid advertising. Utilize social media for relationship building, trust marketing. Ever you like, engage with your followers and increase your industry credibility. For the first 6 months, decide how much money you'll set aside as your marketing budget. Typically, companies budget 5 to 7% of their first year's projected growing sales for marketing. Calculating your return on investment for each dollar spent is the key. If your company has highly anticipated income and little overhead costs, then taking on debt isn't that bad, especially if you pay it off in a month. Some credit card providers reward timely payments with reward and cashback. Understanding every aspect of your business can be aided by developing a business plan. So if you don't already have one, create one immediately and thoroughly research your company to learn all there is to know about the steps to success. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so you can see